So I'm entering the ferry now. The bridge to the ferry is a wooden bridge. And you can see here, look at the water. Look at the water. It is so clean and clear. Looks beautiful. There are some seagulls also flying in the sea, and then you also have some what do you call that, parachuting happening there. Overall, I think it's a beautiful sea. Is that the island? That's the island we are going? That's Olonga?
Yeah.
Olango. Way to Olonga Island. I'm in a ferry now. The ferry cost me 60 pesos, which is roughly 90 rupees, and which is exactly $1 US. So it's extremely reasonable, extremely cheap. You can see how beautiful the ocean is, how beautiful the water is. The sky is clear. There are clouds. There are white clouds, which is the best part. The sun is shining hard. The sun is on my back, and there are no rain clouds, which is a good thing. So you can see how beautiful the water is. You can see the island. From here, we'll be going to this island called as Olonga Island, and we'll explore the island, see what is there to do in the island. But I think overall a very reasonable ride. The cost of the ride is very reasonable, and overall the beauty of this is just stunning. The good part is that it takes you around 10 minutes to go to the island from Lapu Island, and it is extremely, it's very easy to go to this island. The boat is very smooth. It's going at a good speed. Overall, a great experience. The name of the boat is Star Rosa Ferry. We are on the island now, and going towards the end. I have no idea what to do here. I'll explore and see what we can do. Overall, the water is beautiful, the weather is good, and really looking forward to see what is there on the island.